Dear 2020, thank you for giving me time to think, time to reflect, time to find myself again. The last few years have been tough, really tough. And then at the end of 2019, it felt like the walls around me crumbled. Not in a revealing or freeing way, but in a crushing, I can't breathe way. We don't brood on things here. We get up, brush ourselves off and continue. Often trying to make up for lost time and opportunities. So that's what I did. Pretended we hadn't all just been through this traumatic event. I sense if these circumstances didn't stop me in my tracks, I'd probably look a bit like a tangled ball of knitting offcuts right now. So, thank you for giving me time to grieve. I now go for walks for fun. And we have a terrapin living in the lake near us. It's huge, like tortoise size. I'm thankful for the terrapin. I've rambled, so I'll wrap this up and drink the rest of my tea. Lots of love, Roanna. Oh, P.S. I tried so hard to use the quill properly. Like, how did Shakespeare write 4-hour plays using one?